Hey guys, it's Linda back again with another video. For today's video, I'm bringing you another haul. I hope you guys like these. So if you're interested in seeing what I ordered from e.l.f. Cosmetics, keep on watching. Favorite drugstore makeup? I absolutely love e.l.f. Like, I've loved e.l.f. since I was a young teenager. I loved e.l.f. Cosmetics. I've noticed more recently that they've really elevated the quality of their cosmetics. Like, it is on the high-end level for me. I love e.l.f. products. I cannot say enough good things about e.l.f. I really haven't encountered too many products that didn't work for me. I don't know if it's just me, but most people tell me that e.l.f. works for them and it's really great range. I honestly don't buy a lot of e.l.f. at once. I usually just kind of go shopping and oh, I'm running low on foundation, let me grab one. Oh, I'm running low on primer, let me grab one. I don't usually do a big haul like this unless I'm purchasing a collection, which I haven't done in a while. You guys have seen a couple of the videos. I did the advent calendar, which I'll link. I've done the cookies and dream collection, and I've done the mint melt collection. And then I also purchased the whole collection of that Dunkin' Donuts, which was really beautiful. Kind of regret not doing a video on it, but I had purchased the whole Dunkin' Donut collection. I never used it because it was a time when I was doing a lot of purchasing of things that I didn't need. So because it didn't serve me, I gave it away to someone else. And that person ended up really liking the product, so I'm happy for them. The Dunkin' Donuts collection was absolutely beautiful. Everything about it was beautiful. I loved it. But I haven't done a big e.l.f. haul in a really long time. I just kind of pick up products that I like, but this is the first time that I've really bought a lot of e.l.f. all at once. So I thought I'd share that with you guys. Starting off, the first product I got is the e.l.f. Halo Glow Setting Powder. I really was excited to try this. I had heard good things about it. I actually got this because I wanted to pair it with the e.l.f. Halo Glow Liquid Filter. I already had this, but I really wanted to pair it with the powder. Let me tell you first, this Halo Glow Liquid Filter foundation, out of this world. I'm actually wearing it now. It's been my favorite. It's really low coverage and wearable. It feels like skin and it's so pretty. I wear this to work. It's my daily foundation, but it's hard to find. It's absolutely hard to find. It was sold out everywhere. I would go to the store and I'd be like, where are they? Where are they? And I would only see the deeper tones. So I never got my color. And I was so excited that one day I found it at Target and I was like, I have to buy it. And it was the last one. So yes, this I'm hoping pairs really nice with the related powder. So that's why I got this. I'm gonna get into primer. e.l.f. primer is top tier. It's every day, it's my daily primer. I cannot go a day without an e.l.f. primer. Typically on a daily basis, I kind of switch between their Power Grip primer and the Putty primer. So I kind of just repurchase because they're my staples. So I just got the matte Putty primer. And then I purchased the Power Grip primer. This, 10 out of 10, would definitely recommend. It just lays such a nice surface on your skin and it really prepares you for your foundation and all the rest of your makeup steps. So highly recommend these two primers. e.l.f. has a new primer and your girl had to try it. And I was so excited just because of the new ingredient. I have been all about skincare lately. I have developed a really nice 10-step skincare routine it's just my nightly ritual. It's become my favorite form of self-care. After I come home from work, do my workout or whatever, and then, I shower and then do my skincare, and I am just obsessed with my skin and taking care of it lately. So when I saw that e.l.f. had a new Power Grip primer with niacinamide, I was like, sign me up. Immediately, yes. I need it. I need it. Skincare and primer, come on. And if you guys don't know what niacinamide is, do your research. But it's an amazing ingredient in skincare products, perfect They have anti-aging elements to it, so I really wanted to give this a try. I kind of like to, depending on what your skin type is, your skin might react better to like hyaluronic acid or niacinamide, but I personally have loved both ingredients. I am so excited to try this. And it's a really good size. It's the same as the other Power Grip primer, so I'm so excited to give this a try. Next, I got the e.l.f. Camo CC Cream. I have never tried it, so I really want to give this a try. Even though I've been loving the Halo Glow foundation, I want to give myself, you know, another option. I like really lightweight foundations lately. Like I said, I have been putting more emphasis on skincare. I really don't feel the need to wear like heavy makeup anymore. So I really wanted to give this CC cream a try. I got the color Light 240 Warm because they do have neutral, cool, and warm options. So I got the warm tone because I tend to kind of be more on the warm side. I get like a little bit pink undertones. So I'm gonna hope that this works out for me and it's a good color match. Next, I got this e.l.f. Flawless Concealer. It's darker, obviously, than my skin tone, but there's a purpose to that. This is the Tan Walnut. So I've been really into doing the whole like underpainting type of makeup. And so I have been emphasizing more on cream products rather than powder products. And I've noticed that my skin looks better now that I'm emphasizing more on cream because it just blends into the skin. I don't look as old. Like I feel like powder makes you look older. So I've been kind of letting my skin have like a nice glossiness to it, like a nice creaminess to it. So I got myself like a darker concealer to do my contouring because I have lately been using more cream contours, but I heard that the e.l.f. concealer is really nice for the underpainting and contouring, so I wanted to give it a try, and this was on clearance, so I was like, let's give it a try. Like I said, I am really into cream products. I heard some good things about their cream blushes, so I really wanted to give them a try myself. These are the Putty Blushers. So I know they look really dark, but I liked the way these colors looked online. I'm not a very like pinky light type of blush wearer. I like more deeper mauve-y tones. So these were the deepest of the blush colors, and I really like how they look. This one seems to be a little more cool, and then this one's a little bit more warm. This one is the color Caribbean, and this one is Bali. So this one is Bali. They come in a really nice container. I love this container. It's like really fancy looking. And this is what it looks like, nice and creamy. Oh my God, you could even probably use this on your lips, cheek, anything. That is so pretty. Look at that. That is so pretty. And then it's so creamy and blendable. Oh, I love that. That's gonna look so nice. I feel like this is gonna look much more natural than the way powder blush applies, because you know, you get that, you know, streakiness sometimes. So I think this is going to look really nice blended with the Beauty Blender, and it gives you that nice flush look. And I can't show you Bali without showing you Caribbean. So with another finger, oh, this is like a really nice like wine type of color. Oh, that is so pretty. And then the way it blends. Oh yeah, that is nice. Next is something that I've been dying to try. I got the e.l.f. Clear Brow Lift. I am really excited to try this. Like, I have been into the natural brow lately. Obviously now I have a little bit of product on, and I really like that look. I think it's more youthful than the dark like sculpted brows. I like the nice bushy brows. So I had heard that this is a really good dupe for the Anastasia Beverly Hills Brow Freeze. So I cannot wait to give this a try. It's kind of like that soap brow concept, and you just brush up the eyebrows and they just like stay laminated and in place. So I'm super excited for this. So along with the brow lift, I also got the brow lift applicator. It comes with the spoolie end and then the spatula end. So I guess the concept is you dip it into the product, really kind of coat the eyebrows, and then the spatula end is supposed to help laminate them, flatten them out, and keep them in place. Kind of like back in the day, I don't know if anybody else did this, but when we used to do like hairspray on the eyebrows to keep them nice and tamed, similar concept. So I am really excited to use both of these. Next, I'm gonna show you the free gifts that came with my purchase. I'm an e.l.f. rewards member, so I guess after like a certain amount of points, you get like a free gift with purchase or something like that. So they sent me this rose gold palette in nude. These colors are so pretty. It has the nice little light color, some shimmers in here, some matte colors, got darks and lights and rosy colors and copper colors. They kind of look a little like purplish gray to me, which I think is super adorable. They also gave me the choice to pick 2 samples. I really like samples because that's like kind of a way to try new products. And then if you like it, then you can buy the full size version of it. And then if you don't like it, you didn't spend your money. So I got some things that I wanted to try. So first, I got the triple acid resurfacing serum. It is the blemish breakthrough with 8.5 triple acid complex and that 10% niacinamide, which, like I said, I love niacinamide in skincare. So I'm really excited to try this because this may be good for blemishes. Oh, how cute. It's like a little dropper bottle. And it comes with a little tiny little dropper. This is really good for travel too. So like, definitely a good size. So my other free sample, I picked out another putty primer that I've been kind of iffy about trying, but I kind of want to try. And this is the C Bright Putty Primer. This one is the one with vitamin C. So the box is so cute too. So let's see what this looks like. How cute is this little container? So yeah, it just looks like a little balm. And it's the little vitamin C putty primer. So cute. Again, great for travel, you know? So that is all for my e.l.f. Cosmetics haul. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Let me know if there's any products that you've tried and loved or any products that you're thinking of getting for yourself. I hope you guys like these haul videos. If you guys have any ideas for any other things that you'd like to see me haul, leave a comment down below. As always, don't forget to share, like, comment, and subscribe. If you like videos like this, be sure to hit that bell icon so that you can get notified every time I upload new videos. I thank you guys so much for joining me on today's video, and I hope to see you guys in the next one. Bye.